Within this video, the installation of a 25,000-liter liquid nitrogen supply tank is shown. First, the cranes are brought into position to allow safe uprightening. After the 25,000 liters liquid nitrogen supply tank has been delivered, it is fixed for lifting. In a precisely coordinated choreography between the truck and the two cranes, the tank is unloaded and straightened up step by step. After the tank has been brought into position, the fastening takes place. The installation was done within 1 day, thanks to the best planning and execution of the work. Askion is your partner for turnkey projects. For more information, please contact us.